Can you see it better? Doing my own nails and design. All right, great. I am going to key it for 30 seconds. Here's a look. We're gonna do this. This look. It's gonna be so much fun for this design. And I have all the little pieces here. I trim them off because I don't want them to just like a smaller piece, because I don't want them to hang it when I doing it. Like last time, I think I have whole strip long, too long. Then it stick all everywhere. So this time I trim and I cut them smaller. This 30 seconds is done. And I am going to place them right in the center, maybe like right here. It doesn't matter to me. Hold on, let me get the Louis in the middle, maybe. Great. Let's see. Can you see it better like that? Okay. I get my piece of paper towels here. And of course, this had their C-curve in the apex, so they are had a little crease, but it doesn't affect anything at all. The design still come out really nice. I did it on my other thumb, and it just turned out perfect. If it only missing it because I didn't press firmly. But it should come. It doesn't matter this one, when I put the designs on it, you can't see it. Oh, this one I can do on my pinky though, huh? Nice. Do you think this one will fit my pinky? Ooh, okay. Try the pinky. Should I do all of them first and then do designs? Or should I do design right now? Maybe I should do designs now. I'll do 2 fingers. Or do all. Let's do all. See how it transfer. I'm gonna do all 5 nails and let it transfer. Just to show you first one. It's gonna be so much fun, you know. Imagine if I don't go live, and I'll go live with the tips, and then I still having fun doing my nails by myself. But it's much more fun because I got you Lady Joy with me. I can't wait to see all of you doing your own nails. Do it, just put it on a live and then just send it to us. We want to tune in and enjoy it. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna do all my nails. This might be boring because we don't doing a different design. Well, we don't. Well, we will do these different designs on each fingers, but we're doing 2 nails. The thumb, which is I see a lot, and I love to have a thumb nails done because it's a texting fingers. Also, is when I doing a live video, you only can see my thumbnails. Hold on, I'll make sure they're all nice and. It's hard to see because they're far away. Hold on, I'm sorry. I need to see on this side. So I'm using right now is Premium's Eye Hold Chamfer Foil. I'm getting closer so I can see it. Looks like I can't see from far away. I'm so sorry. All right. Just make sure I don't miss anything, because if you miss this, your foil is not gonna transfer. It's only transfer to where you apply your chamfer foil gels. So I try not to miss it. Great. Okay, now I am going to cure for 30 seconds. Oh, it's gonna be fun, everyone. I have smaller pieces here ready for us. Right here. There's a chocolate right there. Yeah. Done. Here you go. I'm gonna put the LV right in the center. You look like my next door neighbor. They have party. They have so much fun over there. I can hear music. Tammy, I'm too shy to do video. I wish I wasn't that way, but I am. You know what? Be honest here, since I have all of you here, okay? I am a really shy person, so I'm not lying to you. You can ask my lovely husband, my kids. I'm really shy though. But I am just, like how I say, more authentic, like I am who I am. So I just feel like I'm talking to all of you as I'm talking to friends. I don't feel like it's overwhelming myself by doing, and you know, we're all human beings and we all like, look at this, ladies. And you see me do live video, I make a mistake normally. It's just like, it's happened, you know, sometimes fail. Me and Sarah and Vicky was like fell on when we're doing live video. It's okay, but it's, but we're doing it from our heart, so it doesn't, how do I say? And then plus, that's, you know, we really grateful to have all of you support, and it's never laugh, but you know, it's like everybody have different techniques. We're here to just learn. We'll never put anybody down to make us look better. So we're not gonna like, because you're shy and we're gonna say something, we would not. This is only like in positive vibes over here, Tammy. So even like you put picture or video, you don't have to talk. You can just do video, I think. Here you go. Would love to see and would love to support now, to seeing a lot of nail techs passionate, and then sometimes myself, I'm really more projective. Like I was thinking people like, oh my God, it's like the nails doesn't look perfect. The nails doesn't look top of the line. We're all in the different unique techniques way, I guess. Besides that, we're learning from all of us, learning it from school. Of course, we'll have to get to the school and the program and taking exam and tests in order for you to pass to be a nail technician. So you should be proud of it. And then every time you continue educations and you're learning with us here, like we're learning from each other's, and we shares a lot of knowledge. And I'm a shy person too. Look at that. Second, this Premium's eye holes. If you're using the white bottle, which is this chamfer foil, make sure you keep 60 seconds, okay? 60 seconds under LED lights. And but if you're using the Premium's eye hole, which is, I love it, They work the same, but one is faster because if I have the clients doing it and I want to cut half time, I would do the premiums IHO. But it's really depend on your personal preference. If you have the ones like the white bottle, it's like you make sure you key it properly, which is like your lamp. My lamp is need to be chalked, and you have to get full chalk instead of just getting really like weak, or all the bulbs on the lamp it need to be replaced. Well, it works with LED, and if it like almost 5,000 hours, then probably it might not key properly. If you feel like your hand is like kind of a little bit oily, I'm going to use this. I'm so excited, everyone, because imagine it, my nail with all of this clear. But if you don't have this foil, you can using other techniques like make a jelly of black nails. One of you lady were asking that. Got another one. Aha! I feel so fancy. I kept nervous. I don't want it using this piece. You can using this piece for the smaller fingers. You can, but I know this is it's gonna fit though. You think? But this one, if you cut bigger, you can probably fit this one. Maybe. You think I should? Oh no, I don't want to take a chance. That's what happened. Is it's like a missing whole entire piece, and I'm like, crap. I shouldn't do that. I know it better. I'm so shy, but I have all of you. Oh, Whitney went live today. When is that, Sarisa? Did I miss it? I was working all day with my work and in the office, and so I didn't get to. When I was Sarah's and went live, I was in on the office, and I have my phone on the side so I can able to watch Sarah go live. I will try. Don't let me miss it, lady. Just invited me and I send me the message. I will try. How was that happening to this one? How did I do that? Oh, it's already come up.
She did video call.
Oh. Oh. Oh, and then she went live. Oh, I see. How cool is that? Missing it.
Maybe
I have one missing right here.
maybe you didn't apply for it.
Probably. How is that? Because maybe I didn't press it. Hold on. Stick it there. Put it right back up.
There's a tab here.
Chantella, if you're using the premium IHO transfer foil, sweetie, on the black bottle, you keep 30 seconds. But if you're using the white bottle for IHO transfer foil, then you keep it for 60 seconds. Oh, it's transfer, see? So if you miss it, you just like it back up, it's transfer for you. And even it's transferred to my skin right here. Just get it off. It doesn't hurt at all. There you go. I just need to do this one.